Welcome to etvFutures.com. Today is Monday, December 10th. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Commodities Open. Crude oil rose more than $1 a barrel as the U.S. dollar fell against the euro, bolstering the appeal of commodities as a hedge against inflation. Crude oil is trading at $89.45 per barrel on the NYMEX. Natural gas in New York declined on an outlook for higher than normal temperatures and lower demand through December 23rd. Natural gas is trading at $7.12 per million British thermal units. Gold rose as the decline in the value of the dollar against the euro also boosted the appeal of the precious metal as an alternative investment. Gold is trading at $814.20 per ounce. Silver is up at $14.855 an ounce. Today we're joined by Paul Brittain from Alaron. Paul will give his outlook for the commodities market.
Good morning. This is Paul Brittain from Alaron Trading in Las Vegas, Nevada. In today's energy markets, we've seen the energy markets higher across the board in anticipation of another Fed rate cut, which would drive the dollar even lower. Remember, crude oil and all the products are traded in dollars, so a lower dollar does equate to higher energy prices. Technically, we see today's action as a further consolidation of the recent sell-off, however, as the market digests its current price and what could be and appears to be a bear flag formation, which would indicate that the downside move isn't over. I think the odds are 80% of the time in this formation it continues to go lower. 20% of the time it could be a trend reversal. However, at this time we've got the energy markets up across the board. Like I said, January crude oil at 89.04 up 76. Heating oil is at 252.67 up 220. Gasoline up a penny 61 at 228.51. And natural gas is making me a liar because it's now down for the day. It just happened. Okay, that's the energy markets in a wrap. And silver and gold, of course, are both higher again because of the anticipation of lower interest rates and a lower dollar. Silver and gold do trade in dollars as well. Technically, we see this market is currently caught in a sideways pattern, not really making too much gain overall. The markets, both silver and gold, have been trading sideways for the last 45 days. Although they are at the upper end of their historical valuation. And that's all I've got for you today. This is Paul Brittain from Alaron Trading in Las Vegas, Nevada. Thank you.
Thanks, Paul. That was Paul Brittain from Alaron. I'm Caitlin Sisney. Join us again for another update right here on etvFutures.com.